Guys, what's up? Good evening, good morning, and welcome to this channel, whatever timeline you are. So this is gonna be a quick video to show you how you remove your CRO staked on your crypto.com wallet into your spending money. So let's go in. This is my crypto.com wallet. Have a fingerprint encryption security. So what you get when you land on your app, you will see your normal application on your phone with your value, with your deposit value and stuff. Then you go into accounts, and in accounts you check crypto wallets. Normally the first is CROs, Chronos. Clicking Chronos, you will get the amount of Chronos you have now available, and you get the amount spendable. And then if you have CRO staked, you will see CRO locked up. And then if your 180 days are over, then that money will be available. So what you do, you click on top of CRO, where you're seeing myself looking into CRO locked up. So you click in there, you will allow you to transfer that CRO locked up into CRO normally. As you can see, for me, I have 45.38 CRO available, and I have 6,609 CRO locked up. So what you do, then you unlock your locked up CRO into your available wallet, and then you moved from there and go into your normal wallet. And then when you're there, what you do is, soon you get here, you click in sell CRO. It will allow you to check the amount of available which you can sell out, and you pick market order, and from the market order you select either you want to sell in Euro or GBP for UK, or you want to sell in crypto. For me, I normally pick Tether USDT, which is this one, and select the value. For me, I only have 45.3 CRO available, and when I sell it, automatically I will have receive USDT in exchange, and that amount is spendable, which I can then exchange to. But if you want to put into your bank account, what you do, you sell it again. You go back into your CRO and you sell it as cash. When you sell it as cash, select your GBP, click the value of CRO you want to do. For me, that's to sell 45. Click in sell, which I'm not gonna do because I don't want to sell it. And then when you sell, soon as you sell and your sell is approved, it will automatically, you come into accounts, go down, you go into fiat wallet. Into fiat wallet, you will see the amount of money that you sold in cash. Deposit here, either in GBP or Euro. Then what you do, you click in transfer, and then from transfer, click in withdraw. Bear in mind that you need to, if you want to withdraw to your personal bank account, you need to connect your bank account prior to this operation, and allow it 24 hours for it to be fully verified and fully working, otherwise it won't work. So then when you click in either Euro, British pound, if your bank account is in Euro, click on where. If your bank account is in British pound, click in British pound. For me, it's British pound. And then here is my bank account. I put the value. Bear in mind that there is a minimum value for the bank transfer, and it is 70 pounds for pounds, and for euros I believe it's around 75-80 euros, and that is the minimum. If it's anything lower than that, the CRO won't allow you to transfer. And soon you got the value, soon you got all the money there and ready to transfer, just clicking and on this blue button, and your application will go through. Normally it's between the approval time for the withdrawal goes between 5 minutes to a full day, depending on the amount you're transferring, and the longer you're using the app, the easier it becomes and the quicker the approval is done. Yeah, that's it. I hope this is being clear and helpful. And I anything you need, let me know, and I'll try to create a more clear video explaining more things. Thank you very much, and I see you next time.